I was sent these earbuds to do a tryout with, so let's go ahead and open them up. But right away, I already like the quality of the box that they come in. It looks like it's going to be really nice quality. So here's what they look like. You can see they're a very sleek, modern design. They just look very attractive, just the case even. So that's what the actual pod case looks like. And then underneath here, you have some of the other items, which are the USB cable. And then also we have this little pouch here, and that seems to include the instruction manual right here. So let's open this up. Now, when you remove the earbuds, they're going to power on automatically, but this is what they look like. Let's go ahead and take them out. This is, you can tell by the shape, but it also has an L written on it. So you know that that is the left ear. They look so nice and are also very comfortable. So what we're going to do now is get our phone and try to make these connected. We're going to look for LinkPods on our phone. So we're going to turn on our Bluetooth and then search for LinkPods. Okay, I have found LinkPods here at the bottom on my phone. Let's go ahead and pair. And then I'm going to bring up some of my favorite music and try these out. I have some of my favorite music playing and the sound is definitely awesome. I am so happy with it. To charge the battery to full strength, it's only about 1.5 hours. The earbuds will power off within 3 seconds if you haven't paired them with any device. You can single press either the left or right earbud to play or pause the music. Double press the left earbud if you want to go to the forward track. And you can double press the right if you want to go back. You can long press the left to lower the volume and long press the right if you want to raise the volume. And you can double press the left or right earbud to accept a phone call. And you can also press and hold the left or right earbud for 1.5 seconds to hang up on a phone call. And that's also the same if you want to reject a phone call. And you can also triple press to turn off or activate voice assistant. That and all of the other information are included in the instruction manual. I also wanted to go ahead and show right here at the bottom is where the USB cable enters, and I'm going to go and take these out now and put them back in, and it will automatically turn them off. So I'm ready for my next music listening experience.